Hello, dear viewers or friends. Welcome to my channels. Today's discussions is very interesting. Newton's laws of motion, constraint motion. Okay, this problem is you can get class 11 or 12 levels. Okay, so in the arrangement of a pulley rope mass arrangement is shown in figure. You will see the figure. Find the acceleration of block M1 when the masses are set free to move. Assume that the pulley and the ropes are ideal. So this is the relationship is constraint relationship, friends. We see there is the two type of string. One is string 1, another is string 2. Okay, this problem can be solved a lot of way. I just show only one method because this method I have understood. Okay, so that's why I discussed this method. So for the upper string, the length of string L1 not to change and the string not to slacken. Okay, acceleration. Okay, now you will see the question. A pulley rope mass arrangement is shown in figure. Okay, this is the questions. Please check. Now you see the length of string L1 not to change and for this string not to slacken, and acceleration of M1 with respect to the fixed pulley is equal to A1 mod of A1 is equal to AP means fixed pulley. Okay, so next is the acceleration of the movable pulley, the fixed with respect to fixed pulley. Okay, so movable pulley acceleration and M1 acceleration are both are equal. So A1 mod of A1 is equal to mod of AP. Constant relation for string 2. Okay, now you will see there are the two string. Another is first string I discuss and second string is 2. Let us assume the block M1 is moving up with acceleration A1 and blocks M2 and M3 are moving down with acceleration A2 and A3 respectively with respect to ground. The total length of the string 2 is constant. Therefore, you see the diagram. In this diagram, I have already discussed. You see the string 2. XP is the total distance. Okay, XP2, X3 and X2 minus XP and X3 minus XP2. Okay, this is the length. This length are constant. So this length is called, we can say, L2. Now you see that I have already drawn this system and M1 and M2 and M3. You will see that my diagram is totally complete. Now I have to write the each of the weight M1, M2 and M3. Everything I have written. Okay, so this mass number I have written. Now you see M1 is moving up with acceleration A1. Okay, according to the diagram, and M2 and M3 both are moving down with acceleration A2 and A3. So now I apply constant motion. Now L2 is total length, okay, length of the of string on pulley 2. So of string on pulley 2, so it is constant. So it is constant. Now L2 is equal to, L2 can be written, L2 equals to x2 minus xp2 and x3 minus xp2. So plus L0 dash means, L0 dash means extra length, okay, which is not calculated, just only distance I have calculated. So it is the constant length. Now I am differentiating L2 as it is constant, so it is 0. dl2 divided by dt equals to 0. So L2 is equal to x2 plus x3 minus 2xp2, okay. So you see x2 plus x3 minus 2xp2 and dl2 by dt is equal to 0, dl0 l dash 0 is equal to dt 0. So a2 is plus a3 is equal to 2a1. This is the relationship 2a1 and a2 plus a3. Now I draw the free body diagrams from each block. First is pulley and another is m1 block, m2 block and m3 block. Please check my total diagram. P1 for the pulley, total tension is 2T, okay, and in case of A1 we see the tension is 2T. Now please check total my diagram. And next for M1 tension is 2T, but M2 tension is T and acceleration is downward, and M3 acceleration is downward, acceleration is A3. So whatever I get the acceleration relationship is 2a1 plus a2 plus a3. Again, I hope you check my total diagram. Now 2t minus m1g is equal to m1a, and m2g minus t is equal to m2a2. Okay, sorry, it is m1 m1. So it is m1 a1, 2t minus m1 m1g m1 a1, and m2g minus t is equal to m2 a2. Similarly, m3g minus t is equal to m3 a3. Hence, now after solving both equation, we get the result a1 is equal to 4m1 m3g plus m1 minus m1 m2 plus m3g plus 4m2 m3 divided by, okay, divided by 4m2 m3 plus m1 m2 plus m3. This is the result. This result I get from the equations. Okay, in here I have written this equation is wrong. I corrected all the equation. Please check. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it is clear for everyone, and please check my total solution, and I also correct my writing. It is not a1, not a. For equation 2t minus m1g is equal to m1 a1, m2g minus 2t is equal to m2 a2, and m3g minus t is equal to m3 a3, not a. Thanks for watching.